Hello, so in the previous lesson, we learned how to prompt effectively by taking examples like language translations and computer programming as well. So, for most students, of the important way for learning is essay writing, students are often asked to write essays on different topics. This enhances their critical thinking and writing skills. And ChatGPT can also write essays for you. In this lesson, we'll learn how to optimize prompts for essay writing. Let's start. As you can see, I wrote the prompt to write an essay on the impact of social media. Notice that I have not added any information to the prompt. This is just to show you how it responds. As expected, since I didn't give specific instructions about the essay and asked an open-ended question, it has given the essay on its own. It has mentioned some positive impacts, negative impacts, what are the problems, what's the solution and conclusion at the end. So this was an open-ended question. I didn't add any instructions on what kind of essay it should write for us. I just gave an open question and it gave us the response. But maybe this essay does not fulfill our requirements. So if I want an essay in a specific type, I'll have to write some instructions so it would generate the essay I want. Let me show you how. Previously, I simply wrote an open-ended prompt about the social media impact. But in this prompt, I asked to write an essay discussing the influence of social media on mental health among teenagers, while also exploring the role of cyberbullying, social comparison, and excessive screen time in shaping individuals' well-being and self-perception. Let's see if we can get the essay we want. There it is. This is what I wanted to show you. When you ask an open-ended prompt, the AI gives the response in its own style. But when you give a prompt with specific requirements or instructions, the AI generates the response accordingly. Let's say you want AI to write a specific response, but you have not written any instructions that could give AI an idea of what type of response you want. How would AI know what's in your head? So it's important to write the prompt with clear instructions so that the AI will make the response you desire. That's the AI for you.